Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone is well and that you had a pleasant weekend. Already into the month of February, February 3rd, 2025. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Snapshot. Where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. As I like to point out every week, I feel it's important that residents and property owners here in the Antelope Valley have a trusted local resource to follow along with our local real estate market. Often our statistics, our market data gets lumped into greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and as decades of selling real estate here in the Antelope Valley has shown, our market, our statistics are definitely unique onto itself. Something else I like to point out every week is that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors. So let's take a quick look at exactly where we start the first Monday of February in regards to our real estate market. Active listings grew 1.8% again over the last week ending yesterday, February 2nd. Start today at 829 active residential listings on the market through our local MLS service. Our pending listings, those properties that are under contract and in escrow, dropped just by one. It was 309 last week, 308 this week, so shows less than a 1% decline. New residential listings that came on the market during that 1 week period of the 27th through the 2nd. 93 down from a very busy week the week prior, 12.3%. At 93, 93 is still a good healthy number of new listings coming on the market. That median list price of those new listings did creep up a little bit, just 1%. So we'll follow along with that trend. A little bit of a concerning number after a good week 2 weeks ago. Last week, the number of properties that went into escrow dropped by about 30%, just a little bit over, down to 48. A little bit concerning because we had a good week the week prior, and then last week, just not a lot of buyer activity out there. So we'll continue to kind of watch that. We know interest rates are firmed up a little bit, pushing upper sixes, low sevens. So that probably is having some kind of an effect on the buyers making those decisions to get things under contract. But we'll definitely, as I mentioned, keep a close eye on that. Median number of days, the properties that went into escrow were on the market, up 3 days to 35. Properties that closed escrow last week, 49, up 6.5%. And the median sales price of those 49 closed listings up 2.4% to 460. So good news that more properties coming on the market could definitely use the inventory of residential properties on the market. A little bit of, as I mentioned, some concerning news with the number of new escrows opening up last week, taking a drop. So obviously, we're still early in the year. I do think that there's some good signs as we move through the winter into the spring market. As I mentioned, good to see the number of properties coming on the market. Good to see the number of closed sales up. Just need to, as I mentioned a couple times, need to get some more buyer activity. So if there's any other information, market statistics that myself or any our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, please feel free to reach out. We're always here to help and have been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we'll chat with you next Monday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.